guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss a question that is first index. So in this question, we'll be given an array of size n containing n elements, and we'll be given a number x. So we have to find the first index of x, in that array. Okay. So let's suppose this is my array 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, and 4. Okay. So size of this array is n is equals to 7. Suppose we are given x is equals to 1. So we have to find the first index of x. Okay. So we have to write a recursive method to find out the first index of this x, right? This element, that is x. So suppose my method will be first index. Okay. We pass array index x, right? So this will be my method. So we have to find out the first index of this element using recursion. Okay. So whenever we talk about recursion, we have two things. First is expectation and second is faith, right? So what will be my expectation? My expectation will be that first index ARR, IDX, x, n. Here IDX is equals to 0. So my expectation will be that first index ARR 0, x, n will find out the first index of x in this array, that is from 0 till 6. Okay. And my faith will be that first index ARR, 1, x, n will find out the first index of x in this subarray. I can again have a faith that first index, I have a faith that first index ARR 2, x, n will find out the first index of x in this subarray, that is from 2 to 6. Okay. So this was my expectation, this was my faith. And now if I talk about base condition, what will be my base condition? My base condition will be, if I was searching from here to here and I reach here somehow, so it means I have searched whole array but I did not find any element, like any index of x, right? It means I did not find any index where x was present, right? So I will return -1. It means when my IDX become equals to n, so I return -1. Okay. So this will be my base condition. Will be my base condition. And now what will be my function doing? What will this method do? It will first of all check the elemented index IDX, and if it matches, it will return the index. Otherwise, if it does not match, it will search for the subarray, that is from IDX plus 1 till n, right? It will search all elements from IDX plus 1 till n. Okay. Now this method will do what? This method will what? It will check itself, that it will check AR of I1. If it matches x, it will return its index. Otherwise, it will check from IDX plus 1 till 6, that is from 2 to 6, right? And if it were not 1, suppose it was 0. If it was 1 before, so it will return index 1, right? But it was 0 and it was 1, so it will do what? It will check itself, right? It will return, it could have returned 2. If 1 was there, 1 was here. Instead of 2, 1 was here. And it was 0, so it would have returned 2, right? So if my element matches my x, so then we return our index. Otherwise, we search for forward array, right? We search in array forward, right? That is, we search from IDX plus 1 till n. Okay. So I hope it was clear to you guys. So let's start writing code. First of all, my base condition, that is if IDX is equals to n. That is my index reaches n. So what it means, we did not find any element. Otherwise, what I will do, I'll check if my element, that is AR of IDX, is equals to x or not. If it's equal, return IDX. Otherwise, if it's not equal, return. It means check in the subarray. from idx plus 1 till n. Okay, and let's try to run this. What happened? ARR 0 comma n, sorry, it will be x. Again try to run this, accepted, and let's submit this. Yeah, submitted. Okay, so let's try to dry run this code. Okay, okay, so let's, sorry, let's see, let's take an example of my array that is given there in sample input. Okay, we'll dry run over that array. What is my array here? It's 15, 11, 40, 4, 4, 9, and we have to find the first index of 4. So it is 15, 11, 40, 4, 4, 9. Let's make an array. 15, 11, 40, 4, 4, 9, and x is equals to 4 here. N is equals to 6. Okay. Okay. So first of all, main called first index. Like first of all, there will be first call for first index. First index ARR, comma 0, comma x, comma n, right? So it will check if my index is equals to n. No, 0 is not equals to 6, so it will come here. It checks if my element is equals to x, it means AR of 0. Is AR of 0 equals to 4? No, it's not. That is 11 is not, 15 is not equals to 4. So it will call to this method. It will come to this method and call it. It will call first index ARR, comma 1, comma x, comma n, right? It checks if 1 equals to is equal to n. No, 1 is not equals to 6. If my element is equals to x, no, 11 is not equals to 4. So then it again call first index ARR of 2, comma x, comma n, right? Here 2 is not equals to index, it is not equals to n. Here AR of 2, that is 40, is not equals to 4. So it call first index ARR, comma 3, comma x, comma n, right? It checks, is my 3 equal to n? No, it's not. It checks if my AR of 3 is equals to x. Yes, AR of 3 is 4 and x is equals to 4. So what it does is it returns index, that is 3. It returns 3 to this method. Then it returns 3 to this method. Then it also returns 3 to this method. So in main, our 3 gets printed. It means we have found the first index of 4, that is 3, right? So this was my recursive method to find out the first index of an element in an array. So I hope it was clear to you guys. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching the video.